Are you looking for the best electric snow shovels in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best electric snow shovels that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5. SnowJoe Cordless Snowblower Kit. This electric snow shovel comes along with a maintenance-free, brushless 500-watt motor. The model also works efficiently to keep your sidewalks, walkways, and driveways free of snow. Moreover, the chute rotates at a 180-degree angle. Therefore, you can precisely control the snow-throwing directions. The auger cleans up to an 8-inch thick layer of snow. The two-blade low-temperature plastic auger also throws snow up to the distance of 20 feet. Furthermore, with a clearing width of 15-inch, you can easily wrap up your snow removal task. The retractable handle reduces fatigue on the back during operation. The instant electric start helps you to save battery during operation. At number 4. SnowJoe 13-inch 4A Cordless Snow Shovel. This powerful, cordless electric snow shovel is capable of removing 1620 lbs of snow with a single charge. The model also comes along with a strong 400-watt motor. Therefore, the model runs nearly smoothly and vibration-freely. Moreover, you can use this powerful tool for removing piles of snow from your decks, patios, steps, and sidewalks. This machine also consists of a rechargeable 4.0Ah lithium-ion battery. Furthermore, the low-temperature, high-impact paddle auger offers the highest snow-throwing distance of 20 feet. The motor does not make any shrill noise during operation. You can continuously make this model work for 22 minutes with a single charge. At number 3. Greenworks Corded Snow Shovel. With a maximum throw distance of 20 feet, this electric snow shovel helps you to remove the snow instantly. This snowblower also comes with a powerful 8-amp motor. Moreover, the electric motor of this model is strong enough to throw up to 300 lbs of snow at once. The snow throw comes with a maximum clearing width of 12-inch. This snow shovel also comes along with an adjustable auxiliary handle. Therefore, you can keep your back fatigue free during operation. Furthermore, this simple push button offers a quick electric start. This corded model helps you to clear your wide path within a few minutes. At number 2. Greenworks 20-inch Corded Snow Thrower. With a maximum cleaning path of 20-inch, the electric snow shovel instantly clears the wide patio. The 120-volt model also comes along with a 13-amp motor. Therefore, the motor runs without any gas or oil. Moreover, this snowblower offers a maximum 10-inch clearing depth to offer faster cleaning. The double LED lights keep a dark space illuminated while removing snow. The snow shovel also throws snow up to the distance of 20 feet. Furthermore, the multi-directional chute rotates at a 180-degree angle to manage the throwing direction. The large, smooth rolling wheels help you to move this snow shovel hassle-freely off different surfaces. At number 1. WEN 5662 Blaster 18-inch Electric Snow Thrower. This electric snow shovel comes along with a 13.5-amp motor. The professional-style snowblower also has a maximum throwing distance of 490 pounds just in a minute. Moreover, the electric snow thrower consists of 6-inch rear wheels. Therefore, you can smoothly glide this tool on various grounds. This shovel has a maximum cleaning width of 18-inch. The snow shovel also has the highest cleaning depth of 7.8-inch. Furthermore, you can easily throw the snow up to a distance of 20 feet by using this model. This lightweight model consists of a quickly adjustable chute. Therefore, you can rotate the chute up to a 180-degree angle. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.